Hey guys, today I'm so excited to share with you a very traditional dish. It's kibbeh. You may know traditional kibbeh, but I bet you've never tried it this way. Instead of bulgur wheat, we're gonna use rice flour. And you can make this dish using brown rice flour. I've done it before and it tastes exactly the same. This time I'm gonna use 1 cup of white rice flour and 1 cup of brown rice flour. To that I'm gonna add 1 pound of ground lean beef. And the only spices I'm gonna use is a little bit of black pepper and some salt. I mix and I add a little bit of water, about 8 ounces, just to let the dough come together. As soon as the dough comes together, I turn off the mixer and the dough is ready. I set it aside and I start working on my filling. The filling is a very traditional ground beef filling. It's a mix of ground beef and onions and some spices, salt, pepper, allspice and cinnamon. I let it cook until the onion loses all its water and caramelizes and cooks down and I have no juices at the bottom of the pan. That will take 15 to 20 minutes. The 1 pound of ground beef requires 3 medium chopped onions. Towards the end, I'm gonna add a little bit of toasted pine nuts. I'm gonna drain any leftover fat or liquid. I don't want any in my kibbeh. So we're gonna make 2 kinds of kibbeh. One is lemony with lots of caramelized onions, and the other one is with cooked yogurt. So I start making the onions. 3 onions, I put them on low heat. I slice them thinly, a little bit of vegetable oil, and I leave them to caramelize. And this is how I'm gonna shape the kibbeh. It's a very easy dough to work with. I fill it with the mixture of meat and onions and pine nuts. I shape it like that. This amount will make 30 to 31 pieces of kibbeh. Each piece of dough is about 1.2 ounces. And as always, I leave all the amounts to the ingredients in the description box below. I'm gonna make 15 lemon onion kibbehs and 15 yogurt kibbehs. I'm working on the kibbeh, but the onions are still cooking on very low heat. And this is how they should look like. And when all my kibbeh is ready, I add some boiling water, 4 to 5 cups of boiling water to the onion mixture, and I let it cook a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm gonna heat some frying oil and fry half of the kibbeh. So I'm gonna fry half of the kibbeh for the lemon onion mixture. I fry on very high heat. I don't want it to be medium heat because it's gonna crack. So for 1 minute, and I pull it, it's golden and it's ready for the next step. Frying the kibbeh should take only 1 minute. I take it out of the oil on a parchment paper and I finish the whole amount, and then I'm gonna drop them in the onion mixture. I let them cook on medium to low heat. The only thing left to do is add a little bit of salt and a little bit of lemon juice and some pomegranate molasses. That will give it a very nice flavor. 1 to 2 tablespoons of molasses and 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and you can always taste your sauce. I leave it to simmer for 15 to 30 minutes and the lemon kibbeh is ready. Now I'm gonna work on the yogurt one. For the yogurt one, I'm gonna add the yogurt, about 1 pound or 16 ounces of yogurt. Add to that 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix very well and then turn on the heat. Let it boil and then add a little bit of water to make it more liquidy. About 1 cup. Now the yogurt is boiling. I drop the kibbeh very gently and I don't mix. The only thing left to do is to adjust the salt if needed. Let it cook for half an hour like I said, and both kibbehs are ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and follow me on social media. The links are in the description box below. This dish turned out exactly just the way my mom makes it and just the way her mom used to make it. And I'm gonna keep it a tradition in my family and I'm sharing it with you. I hope you give it a try soon and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!